A bit less. Yes. What is that sound? Let me mute this again. Test. Right, so if you look here, I can see the no one replied yet. Actually, what I was hoping that you reply was just type in what we talked about in our lesson previously, yesterday. These were some of the ideas you told me, and I wrote it down, what you shared. So I was thinking, for this shouldn't be difficult, you just have to try what we talked about yesterday. Or tell me, share with me something new. Okay, so we have a class folder that I can see who did what at which time. All the assignments here. Now, and then there's this what time it was adjusted, okay, and all this, who did it, and then you can also see the file size. So those are 3 kilobytes still, that means you didn't do anything. Okay, so let's take a look at a few ideas. For example, Amisha, that's the first one that's on the list. She did a PowerPoint here, of course, with very cute photos. And some animation. Okay. Triangles. Look at the different types. Hi, I'm Hello Kitty. You also the same photo? Oh, yeah. Okay, you also like Hello Kitty. So there are this, the picture, not the Hello Kitty. Okay. Then you're a fan of what character is it? Are you a fan of Hello Kitty? Not that much. But the same picture. So Samantha says she has the same picture for triangles, equilaterals, isosceles, scalene, acute, right angle obtuse. Okay. And then okay. Right. And then she talks about equilateral, isosceles, and every triangle. And the special thing about the triangles. Very nice. Okay. We'll share more of these slides, more of our friends' slides next week. Hopefully, more of our friends did it. Let's see what Ashlyn did. Okay, Ashlyn just wrote one sentence. They are okay. To find area on triangles, you must do base times height divided by 2. They are also more like Google's diagram. Okay, not very fanciful, but at least try. Okay, not bad. And then we have Singwei and Samantha. Okay, Samantha here. Triangles are fun ways we can learn our shape. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Very good. Represented as triangle PQR with 3 vertices, 3 angles, 3 sides. Okay. Real life examples as well. The 6 type of triangles. Okay. Cool. I see. You need this one. Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. This is Xingwei. A bit different picture now, but also shows the 6 different types of triangle. Oh, there's an interesting fact here. The triangle was known in China in early 11th century by mathematician Jia Xian. Wow, this is 1000 BC to 1070 BC. That's very long ago. Okay. Well, so wow, very nice. So you deserve your prize. Let me give me some time to prepare the prize. But what do you think about our friends who did their work? What do you think about your friends who did their work? Do you think they will know a little bit more about triangles than you? So, well, I said this is not compulsory. I really leave it up to your choice. Okay, my encouragement to you is number 1. When you do it, certainly You find and discover the learning by yourself. Definitely, you'll remember it better than anybody else because you made the discovery on your own. Number two, of course, I said I'll give you a prize for what you did. Okay, which is really awesome. All right. Okay, today there's something new I want to share with you. So your homework was on the Google Classroom, on the sharing, as well as I told you, please go back and revise how tall is a triangle and how do you find the base and height. So this was what we did yesterday. Please copy down your homework today. This is your homework, page 97 and page 96 of your textbook. That's the first piece of homework. Circle the pages of your book. So your first homework for this weekend, if let us do it. If you do it today, go check it out. Page 96 and 97 of your textbook for good practice and revision of finding base and height. Okay, the next piece of homework. Okay, this is really important. You want to practice finding base and height of the triangle position in any direction. By now, you understand that you can measure the height of things in any position. So you can ask a triangle to stand up straight, like tall, okay? By asking it to stand on any of its sides, right? You put any of the side of the triangle on the table, right? That's the base. That's what you call the base. All right, then we learned yesterday, you need to have a set square. Have you all had your set squares ready? The set square is important to help you to set the triangle with its base. Good. And then find its corresponding height. What does it mean by corresponding height? So for every triangle, there are three possible sides. So there are three possible bases. 1, 2, 3. I can set it up this way, set it up this way, or set it up this way. As a result, for every single height, there is a every single base, there's a corresponding height, meaning it's partner height. If I set it up this way, this is the base, the height is partner height is here, where the right angle is, the partner height, how tall this triangle is. If I set it up this way, this is the base, how tall the triangle, the height is here, based on the right angle. Can you see? And then yesterday we discussed, if I set it up like this, the base is here, the height of the triangle is here. How tall it is. Okay? Okay? Now, so this is homework. First piece of homework, circle the pages. The next piece of homework is here, page 104. Circle your page now. Page 104, this is your homework. Have you written down your homework? Page 104. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to continue with today's lesson. Today we are going to learn something what we call, according to Tiffany, that she already knows. Oh, area of triangle is half times base times height. Who said I already know this? Very good. Then come, you explain. Why? You also don't know why. Who said I know the formula, but actually I also don't know why it works. I don't really know how to explain this. Okay, so is it important we know why it works? Yes, it's very important why it works. Especially when we look at further problems in our textbook, in our workbook, or a textbook later, where we have to answer questions where of a shape, such as, for example, like this. Let me share this. For example, like this. Okay, or like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, where it's a complex figure. When you say shapes in shapes, or a triangle housed inside a rectangle. Sometimes a question can be asked also, tested on, can you draw the related rectangle? So it's important to know. And also, apart from that, it helps you to remember the formula of half times space times height. Okay, there's this worksheet here. Can I have the first person who come and collect this for your friends? Now, in this worksheet, I'm going to show you some examples. Oh no! Round this help. Take him to the dentist. You want more? Eh? Oh, what happened? Okay, I just gave you a piece of worksheet. Can you find in your textbook where does this look familiar with? Okay, it looks familiar. Which place is it? Okay, very good. You found it. Okay, so on YouTube you can find easily some animations or videos that shares about related triangles. For example, this person here, and even a song. I thought this was pretty interesting. Okay, can you hear? Oh, no sound, sorry.
Triangles, angles are all different types, like acute, right, and up. Rectangles are so simple, their angles are always right. But triangles, angles are all different types, like acute, right, and obtuse. There's equilateral and isosceles. Don't forget scalene. So finding their area's harder to do, but finding the rectangles they fit into makes it easy to deduce. 'Cause everybody knows how to find the area of a rectangle. Just multiply the base times the height. But what do you do for a triangle? You go find its partner rectangle that shares its base and height. Finding the area is easy to do, then just divide by 2. You just divide by 2. Let's take a 5 by 10 rectangle with an area of 50. Any triangle that fits inside and shares the same base and height, you know it's gonna be half the area. So the triangle is 25. The vertex can be anywhere as long as the 8